Hello everyone, the British company is preparing an extreme version of its SUV, which will receive the index SVX. The new model will be distinguished by white linings on the wheel arches and, accordingly, a wider track. The SUV will get larger wheels with original rims, and there are also possible modifications to the front and rear bumpers. In addition, 4 round exhaust tips are already visible on the test prototypes, just like on the current models with the 8-cylinder engine. As for the engine, it is expected that the novelty will be equipped with a biturbo V8 engine with a volume of 4.4 liters of BMW production, with an output of more than 600 horsepower.
Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.